Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is technically the first vlog of 2021 because I have been making those eye looks and makeup looks, but I have not made any video before where I am talking to you guys, and I really was missing this entire talking session and hauls and stuff like that. So I had posted story on my Instagram a while back where I asked you guys what is the first video that you guys would like to see on my channel in 2021, and comes out that I was not being able to shoot that all January, and my first video of 2021 has come out in February, which is still okay, better late than never. so today's video is a haul video. It's a huge Nykaa haul, all the makeup that I bought all through these winters, and a lot of makeup that I've not even opened yet because I bought a few of those things for another video that will be coming very soon. And if you guys want to know how I got this look, then do check for my Valentine's Day video. I have a full tutorial on this makeup, which is a subtle glowy red lip makeup for Valentine's Day, so definitely check that out as well. Now without any more talking, let's just get right into the video. So as you guys know, I am an incurable shopaholic. I definitely did a lot of shopping from Nykaa on all of these sales that have been going. I don't know, Winters, Republic Day, and a lot of sales were going on. So I'm just gonna share with you guys what all I bought. So the first thing that I want to show you guys is the only product that I did not buy from Nykaa. That is the reason I just want to show you guys this one first, and then we'll get into all the Nykaa stuff. So this is the first product. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Volume 4 palette. This is how it looks. You see guys, this is so gorgeous. All pinks and purples and a lot of neutrals right here and glitters. I absolutely fell in love with this palette the moment I saw it. I was not planning to buy it or anything. I was just hanging around in Sephora and I just could not live without picking this one up. So this did come in a pink outer packaging which looked exactly like this, but I don't have that packaging right now. So this one you can get in Sephora stores or online. I'm not sure online, but I picked this up from Sephora store Ambience Mall, so you can definitely check it out on any Sephora nearby. I will list all the products and prices in the description box for you guys to check out. Now moving on, let's dig into all our Nykaa goodies. Next up is this little baby. I was eyeing on this for so long, you guys. This is Too Faced Pretty Rich eyeshadow palette, and there is something with the packaging with this brand, you guys. Just look at how pretty, absolutely gorgeous. You see that little heart? That looks like a vintage drawer or something. It's just so gorgeous. You have a mirror right there. This is how the palette looks. I will be getting you individual swatch videos of all of these palettes, so I'm not gonna swatch them today because it's gonna make this video just too long. You get a little card inside this palette, and it says money cannot buy you happiness, but it can buy you makeup, which is so true. I absolutely love this brand. It also has a few looks for you to try from this palette, so which makes it very easy for beginners to go ahead and start using this one. So the next one is also an eye palette that I bought from Nykaa in some sort of sale that was going on, like I don't know for what reason they had a sale, but this was the palette that I bought. This is Makeup Revolution Constellation palette. Comes with this plastic sort of a outer packaging, and this is how the palette looks. It has really creative shades, you guys, and I've done one eye look with this palette already, so I can tell you the pigmentation is really bang on. And price wise as well, this is such a great buy, so definitely check this palette out, you guys. Next up, we have a range of lipsticks. So I got these two sets from Smashbox, always on liquid lips. So you get two lipsticks in both of these sets. So in Malvika's set we have Babe Alert and Driver's Seat, and in the other set again you have two lipsticks, and this is just such a famous set, Gulabe and Bossy. So Bossy is the one that I'm wearing right now. Nobody has done liquid lipsticks better than Smashbox, you guys. Nobody has ever come up with a formula which is so comfortable, so easy to wear. You don't even feel like you have anything on your lips. Like, it's not drying at all, and it stays for so long. It stays for the whole day. So these combos are really good for all of you guys who are wanting to try the formula, because you get two lipsticks in just about $1,000 I guess, and this is such a great way for you guys to check if the color suits you well or not. Next up, I got the 3D HD Duo Beauty Blenders from Sigma. So you get two beauty blenders in this package, black and pink. I also received these two brushes from Sigma. So one is a shader brush and the other is a blender brush. I still have one brush that has not been delivered to me. I ordered an angled brush for my eyebrows and that has not been delivered yet. Next, I have a few MAC lipsticks to share with you guys. So I bought these two minis, which is Ruby Woo and Whirl, and also this little MAC Mehr. So if you are one of those people like me who have way too many lipsticks, this is such a good option. You can go for minis of all the brands. You will have options, but they will not be too big that you feel obliged to finish them. I also bought a liquid lipstick from MAC, which is this one. This is topped with brandy. So I have bought all of these lipsticks, you guys, for a video that will be coming very soon, where I will be sharing dupes of really iconic lipsticks. Like Ruby Woo is a really iconic lipstick, and all of these Driver's Seat, Babe Alert are really bossy, is a very iconic lipstick. So I will be making a video where I will be sharing affordable dupes for all of these high-end iconic lipsticks with you guys. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe to my channel so that you know when the video will be out. That is why I'm not going to be doing live swatches right now. I will be having an entire video on the swatches later on. Next, we are left with a few Lakme goodies. So I bought this blush from 9 to 5 range. This is the shade Coral Punch. So I saw one of the Instagrammers use this and I absolutely loved this shade on her. So the brush just fell off, but this is how this shade looks, guys. This is a very pretty coral color. With the summers coming up, it's going to be really, really pretty. And I also got these few lipsticks from Lakme. So these are their weightless mousse lipsticks. So I got two of their 9 to 5 lipsticks, and the shades are Rose Touch and Crimson Silk. These are also the dupes of all the iconic dupe lipsticks, the video that I'm talking about. So you will see all of these lipsticks in that video. One thing I forgot to share with you guys is with that Too Faced palette, I also got this little sweet thing from Too Faced, Peach Lip Balm, and a little mini lipstick. The shade is Sex on the Peach, and this is just too light for my skin tone, so I have just not used this at all, and I think it's just gonna stay there in my vanity forever. But the packaging is just so pretty and so beautiful. I love this brand for the way they package their stuff. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this haul video as much as I did shopping them. And I hope you're getting some recommendations about things that you would like to buy for yourself as well. Also, I will be uploading this makeup look for Valentine's Day. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.